Welcome to the Emission Testing Software training program. Kindly make a note of the website and the helpline numbers shown on the screen. To install the Android app first, open the website www.karnataka-etc.in on your Android browser. And then enter your username and password. And click Login. And download the mobile app from the above link. The installation may look different on different versions of Android Mobile. Install the Android app as shown and click the necessary buttons. Open the Android app. Make a note of the latitude and longitude for future use. Make sure you are at the right location of your ETC center to note the latitude and the longitude. Make a note of the latitude and longitude for future use. Log in with your username and password. This screen is visible only at the first time you log in. Kindly enter all your details like your name, your last name, email ID, password, GST number, etc. Make sure you enter the correct license number, expiry date of your license, latitude, longitude, password, and make a note of the password. Once saved, these values cannot be changed again. Please fill all the details and click Submit. The next screen explains how to change the COM port of the gas analyzer and the smoke meter. Click Emission Device Management button. Enter the correct COM port numbers for both the devices and click Submit. The COM ports are changed successfully. In the next screen, we will see how to recharge the certificates. Log in with your username and password. For viewing the license details, click on View and Renew License button. Click Certificate Management and then click Request Test Certificate. Enter the required quantity and click Continue and select the payment options. Enter your UPI ID. Click the required buttons and wait until the payment is processed. Click the required buttons and wait until the payment is processed. After successful payment, the certificate status will show as pending, and once the transport department approves, the certificates are recharged. In the next screen, we will see how to download Windows application. Log in with your username and password. After logging in, click the ETCNS app and wait for a while. The download takes some time. Click Save and save it to a folder. Check whether the file is downloaded fully. Double-click on the downloaded file to install. The installation will take some time. Click Finish to complete installation. Ignore the error and click OK to complete the installation. In the next screen, we will see how to test a petrol or LPG or CNG vehicle. Log in with your username and password. Select Petrol or LPG or CNG and proceed. Now open your Android app and be ready to scan the QR code. Scan the QR code and proceed. Enter vehicle number and proceed. Next, take a photo of the vehicle number plate. Crop the photo of the vehicle and proceed. Take the photo of the emission testing center with the vehicle using the Android app. You follow the steps shown on the app. Take the video of the vehicle and proceed. At this point, readings from the instrument is transferred to the software. Also insert the probe and start the vehicle and do the testing. Also take the video of the instrument display with the values. Click the Finish Test button. Click the Generate Certificate button. Enter the CAPTCHA as seen on the screen. And click Continue button. Now the certificate is generated and you can print the certificate by clicking the Print button. Finally, the certificate is printed successfully. Also, an SMS will be sent to the owner of the vehicle. Testing is completed. Thank you everyone for attending the software training program.